Hello players, I want to show you how I taught myself how to understand the physics of spin and how that spin affects our bank shots. Notice here that I have paper reinforcements marking both my cue ball and my object ball along the center of the table. My cue ball is going to be at the third diamond while the object ball is going to be on the spot. From here I'm going to go with a 2-rail bank shot so that I can see how the spin affects the first cushion and how it brings it back to the second. In this video, I will be showing you maximum inside and outside spin. First, let's take a look at a slow motion shot with outside left spin. And notice how it comes off the first cushion and then comes off the second and comes right back to the corner pocket. Next, let's take a look at an inside spin shot. And notice how it kills off the first cushion and changes the angle coming back to the second, thus missing the corner pocket. And once again, here's a different angle of an inside spin shot. Notice how the transfer of spin from the cue ball to the object ball manipulates its travel path off the cushions. One other thing I did to try to duplicate the shot was to hit the first cushion at the exact same spot, which is indicated here by the white arrow. So that shot was shot with inside spin, so now let's take a look at outside spin and notice where the object ball hits the white arrow, so it's very, very close to the inside spin shot. So next, let's take a look at how that spin transfer looks when the object ball hits the first cushion. Notice there that the object ball was trying to rotate counterclockwise as it came off that first cushion. Look closely as the right spin transfers into left spin after it hits the object ball. Now watch how this subtle left spin on the object ball affects its rebound angle off the first cushion, thus sending it back to the second rail on a different angle. Now let's take a look at an outside left spin shot. Notice how the outside clockwise spin transfers inside spin to the object ball, which turns into running spin as it comes off the first cushion. As a result, this sends the object ball on the correct path to the second rail, thus pocketing it in the corner pocket. And here is another look. And in case you're wondering about my tip placement on the cue ball, here are the chalk marks from both the inside and outside spin. So what is the takeaway from this video? By understanding the physics of applying spin to the cue ball and what its effects are on your object ball, you will more easily be able to manipulate the travel path of the object ball when you need to shorten or lengthen its path to the pocket. If you found this video to be helpful, please hit the like and share this video so others can see it as well. Also, if you'd like to see another great video on the physics of pool shots, check out this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.